Hey you guys, welcome back to Lisa & Company. I'm so glad you could stop by today. We are doing quick and easy Rae Dunn transformations. I've got a few pieces I already had, a piece from the Dollar Tree, and one from the dollar store that I started from scratch. If this sounds like the kind of video you enjoy watching, don't forget to subscribe to Lisa & Company right down below, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you know every single time we upload a new video. I guess we should get started. First up, we're going to take this sign from Dollar Tree. I am going to use the other side, but we're going to pop off this sun. You never know when you're going to need a sun for a DIY, right? We're going to flip it over and give it 2 coats of the Rust-Oleum chalked paint in linen white, and this sign is going to be well on its way to being done. So I gotta give credit where credit is due. I did not make this up. I do not remember where I saw it. I really wish I did, but seriously, I wish Alexa could make me a coffee every single day. But I want to tell you guys about this new transfer tape I'm using. I bought it on Amazon. I'm gonna try and remember to link it down below for you. It is like soft masking tape, and I absolutely adore it. If you can adore transfer tape, I guess. So we're just applied that to the vinyl cutout I did on my Cricut, and we're gonna get that right on the sign. Are you thinking I left way too much room on either side? Well, hang tight, because I'm going to show you exactly what I did to take up that space. Oh, so satisfying to peel back the transfer tape and see your super simple, super easy sign revealed right before your eyes. I'm going to go ahead and use my black and white baker's twine I pick up at Michael's, wrap it around a few times, and believe it or not, I can't find my glue gun. What kind of DIYer can't find their glue gun? So I had to tie it off at the back rather than glue it at the back. But I love it. Ta-da! We're done. DIY number 1. It is time to make my first ever set of beads. Now, way back in the fall, I sat one night and made a whole bunch of tassels, and I experimented with different colors and textures. So they're gonna get used this time. I picked up this mixed set of beads from our Dollarama for $4. I have this other set that was, I don't know, was that $1, $1.50, $1.25? Now, I'm not actually gonna use those because we have 2 fails before we actually get this right. But that's DIY, folks. That is DIY. Once I had a pattern I was happy with and it was long enough, it was time to tie this baby off. So making tassels, I want you to head over to Casey's channel at Coffee with My Sunshine, because she has the best tutorial of anybody for making tassels. So go check it out and then come back here and you can finish watching this. No, wait. Finish watching this and then go check out Casey's video. I'm going to try and remember to link that one here for you. It wouldn't be much of a Rae Dunn inspired DIY if we didn't Rae Dunn this one too. Now, my mom is going to freak out when she sees this because I put a bee on here. And my mom, she's all about making sure we know how important the bees are to our society. So I have a feeling once she sees this, she's going to claim it. I wonder if I shouldn't show her this video. picked up these mugs at Dollar Tree. They are great for putting transfers on because they are nice and straight down the sides. They don't curve like a lot of coffee mugs. Now these mugs are for Izzy and I. She's the kid, obviously. Are you wondering about the mum? Well, anybody who's English knows that this is how we spell mum, and I'm English, so guess what? This is how I spell mum. These are super easy to put on. I was going to try and balance these between these two blocks so they didn't roll to the sides, but it's not going to work. So I'm just going to have to hold on tight and make sure I keep the mug where the mug is supposed to be while I get these on. So here's a question for you. Tell me down in the comments, do you want your coffee mug to have the picture or image on the side so somebody watching you can see it? Or do you want to have it on the side that you can see it? So I went ahead and did this. So right-handed, if I'm holding this coffee cup, you guys get to see how good it looks. Tell me what you do down in the comments. Isn't it funny how sometimes the simplest DIY can turn out to be one of your absolute favorites? I'm kind of psyched for Izzy and I to roll these out on the morning when we have time to chill out and have a nice hot drink together. If you're anything like me, you have a few of these Rae Dunn jars kicking around. Well, I decided we were going to make these do double duty. This one is Izzy's. It says boil, and yep, she keeps her tea bags in it. And of course, this beautiful one is from Christmas, and it had our hot cocoa in it for the hot cocoa bar. But guess what? The other side is totally blank. So why don't we make these do double duty, and we'll have twice as many Rae Dunn jars as we started with. I feel like I have English references all over the place, but cuppa is what you call your cup of tea in England. I really hope some of my family's watching this and they actually notice all the English references tonight. So on the other side of Izzy's boil Rae Dunn jar, we're gonna put cuppa, and she can use it any which way she likes. Largest of my Rae Dunn jars is getting treats for Charlie. So we're gonna put good dog on here because yeah, when he's a good dog, he's gonna get one of these. Now, stay tuned for real life DIY, not disaster, not fail, but somewhere in there. All right, I'm gonna tell you guys what I did. Okay, so when I measured to see how big to make this vinyl cutout, I measured from the base of the jar up to the beginning of the lid. However, I didn't take into account that the base of the jar curves slightly at the bottom. So I could not put the decal all the way down. So the very top of the letters of good are just a little over the edge. So I'm not totally disappointed, but I'm not thrilled that that happened. Maybe this is about goof, not good. This last one is going to get a good old generic share on the back. I figure we can use this one for anything, anytime. While we're at it, you guys, I want to give a great big shout out to my little sister. She sent me a pack of vinyl for Christmas. Can you imagine? She knows what I'm up to with YouTube. She knows what I'm up to with my Cricut. And she sent me possibly the best gift ever. How cool is that? Thanks, Karen. And just like that, another whole set of DIYs are done. Oh my goodness, did you see what I did there? They're done. I know it always seems like I'm telling you guys how much I love some of the way these DIYs turn out, and a lot of the time that's the case because I put a lot of thought into what I'm making and the kind of content I want to put out there for you. But I really do like these ones. I think the Alexa Make Me a Coffee adds a touch of humor to the coffee bar. And honestly, if I could call that out in the morning, I would. The bead garland, like I said, pretty sure my mom's gonna try and claim that. And I love that we have double duty Rae Dunn jars now. As for these cups, I can't wait to crack these open on Saturday morning with Izzy and I. We'll even take a picture. We're going to post it on our Instagram account, so make sure you're following us on Instagram so you can check that out. Thanks as always, you guys, for following along and subscribing. We really appreciate the way our channel is growing right now. Make sure you join us over on Instagram at Living the Life at Lisa & Company, as well as on Facebook at Lisa & Company. We hope we'll see you soon. Thanks for stopping by today.